When you drinking, your hand goes in your front of your visor. That's realism. And this game is all about realism. Not about a fantasy of driving a car and fixing a car. This is not fantasy game. This is realism game. And what games like Gran Turismo and Forza and Assetto Corsa and Project Cars and stuff like this, they are fantasy games. They are for you to be able to bank for the let's shoot the radio. You are able to masturbate to cars and car culture and shiny paints and lifestyle that you're never going to have. This game is not like those games. This game is about realism. Only thing you masturbate to is a girl picture, because that's all you get. You don't masturbate to this car because that's just sick. And that's what this game is about. This is car game with realism, with world later on, not yet implemented, with world that has drunken people, bad language, countryside things like go to fishing and grilling sausakes and eating, of course, not eating but drinking beer, and later on booze and stuff like that, smoking cigarettes, causing a havoc and bad habits and like this, you know. And this game is about summer, Finnish summer, with young people driving a old car that he likes of very much.